Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload new content. Try to refer your network to this channel so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. In today's video, we shall be discussing polynomial characteristics of price movement in Forex synthetic market. And right here, we start with some kind of basic illustration, and so that we go to chart for particle. So right here, you have the price as this, and then you have the time as this. Okay. Now you have to understand the meaning of polynomial. A simplest polynomial will be a quadratic graph or price action. So let's have a price. We are going to ignore that price move on a straight line, even though it doesn't actually move on a straight line. But to make things simple, we take it to move on a straight curve, like without having rise and fall, but it just maintain a line of symmetry. So we have we can have a price movement on a positive quadrant that goes like this and falls like this. Okay, so this is a quadratic curve, and then for two times, like we can have one price like this is price, this is time axis. So we have T1 with T2. So this two different times for same price. Okay, so if here is your entry price, and this entry price created a buy like this, there's probability that the same entry price could create either buy or sell. Okay, because the market is polynomial in nature, but like same price can create the same phenomena or different phenomena at, like I want to talk about this in a situation where the price produces the same result. Okay, so same price can produce the same result at different times. So you see that there is probability that a buy will take place here, even though I have actually assumed that the market break downwards. So let's make this thing more realistic by going into a polynomial of maybe 3 order or 4 order, because market is more of such characteristics. So we have the time axis here, the price axis, and so this is a buy action, this is the origin. So this is a buy action, and then sellers enters the market. Okay, and then another buy action, maybe taking price to this high and sellers bring it up, very sure. While another buy action, the buyers push the market very high. Okay, now I'm going to take some critical points where there are probabilities of generating signals and map their prices and their time component. So we have a point here, so we project it here to have T1, and the price is P1. Okay, and here we have this component T2, and the price is P2. Okay, here we have this price at the time T3, and it is basically having the same price with this. They have steady price, meaning they are at the same level. This is a kind of resistance. Okay, and then we'll have this will give us T4, and the price is P2. So basically P2, it matches with this one. Okay, and then also at this T4 we also have a spontaneous buy action that generated massive move. Okay, so what do you notice here? You notice that the way price move, it moves in such a way that same price can repeat itself in future. Like price can create the same results but at different times. That's the sense of this video, to show you that price can create different event the same events at different times. So if you miss a buy here, don't give up, because the market will return, because it's polynomial in nature. So market will return to the same price to create the same effect. Okay, if you have been losing money trading, because I see a lot of traders watch a lot of videos, they still lose money. If you have been losing money trading, make sure you subscribe to our VIP signal channel. Believe in yourself and believe in our signal. Don't give up. If you start giving up, even when the opportunity is there, you won't even see the opportunity. Okay, so right now, if you are the type that want to trade on your own and you keep losing due to what you could not explain, make sure you enroll for our courses and mentorship so that such short setbacks will stop. Thank you and bye for now.